Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are embarking on a journey into the world of homeopathy and shining a spotlight on a homeopathic medicine with the unique healing properties. So yes, I'm talking about Kalmia Latifolia. If you are curious about homeopathy or seeking natural alternatives for certain health concerns, then this video is definitely for you. So watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. So join me as we unravel the characteristics, indications, and potential benefits of Kalmia latifolia in homeopathic medicine. Let's talk about this wonderful homeopathic medicine that is Kalmia latifolia. So homeopathic medicine Kalmia latifolia is derived from the plant, which is also called as mountain laurel, and it is also known as calico bush. It belongs to the family that is Ericaceae. And to obtain this medicine, fresh leaves of the plant in its flowering stage have to undergo potentization. And potentization is a process of preparing homeopathic medicines which arouses medicinal properties of a crude substance. And after this process, it is converted into a magnificent homeopathic medicine that is Calmia latifolia. So its use is highly recommended for managing neuralgia, that is nerve pain, joint pain, back pain, neck pain, and certain health heart issues. Now, next we'll talk about the constitution of Calmia latifolia. This medicine suits well people having predisposition to suffer from joint complaints and nerve pains. It is also suitable for the person who have certain heart related issues. Next, we'll talk about the drug action of Kelmia. So, though this medicine acts well on many body parts, the most important ones are joint, back, neck, limbs, nerves, and heart. The other parts where it shows its action include eyes, face, stomach, and head. Now, next we'll talk about the clinical features of Gelmia latifolia. So, this medicine can be used for the joint pain, neuralgia, back pain, heart diseases, neck pain, angina pectoris, palpitations, headaches, tosses, trigeminal neuralgia, tobacco heart, stomach pain, and diarrhea. Now, in order to make it understandable to you people, now one by one, I will be explaining each and every clinical indication in a elaborated manner so that you can understand this medicine very well. So let's talk about scope of a Kalmia latifolia as a homeopathic remedy. So its first action is on the back and neck related issues like pain, neuralgia, and nerve pain. So let's talk about it. So Kalmia has a very well defined action on the back and the neck. Here it is highly effective in managing neck pains that radiates down the arm. Neck muscles are so to touch as well as on movement. It has shown great clinical improvements in neuralgia cases when pain from the neck radiate to the fingers, particularly fourth and the little finger, worsening in the early part of the night. Neck feels tender and stiff. Kalmia is well indicated for And this medicine is well indicated for brachialgia cases in which pinched nerve in the neck causes pain in the arm. It is a prominent medicine for the pain, specifically in the upper three dorsal vertebrae, and these vertebrae lies down the base of the neck that extends to the shoulder blade. And beside these, it also acts well on the lower back, where it helps relieve back pain when attended with heat and burning sensation. Pain increases from motion, and there is a weakness in the lower part of the back where spine curves at the base. It gets worse in the evening in the bed, and lastly, it is beneficial to manage back pain during menses. Next use of Kelmia is for the limbs complaint like joint pain, neuralgia, and nerve pain. So let's talk about it. So, Kelmia has shown prominent action on the limbs as well. It can settle issues related to the joints and nerves primarily. It works wonder in cases of joint inflammation when there is a redness, heat, and swelling of the joints. The slightest motion worsen the pain. The pain also increase in the evening and from exposure to the cold wind. There may be pain in the shoulder, arm joint, and wrist, especially the left one. Pain may be felt in the hip, radiate to the legs and feet, knees, and in the ankles along with swelling. A peculiar feature is the sudden shifting of the pain from one joint to another. The pain is sharp and shooting type. Pain mostly begins in the upper limb and then shift to the lower limbs. Pain may also occur in the large part of the limbs and then quickly shift to the another part. This medicine also helped to give substantial relief in the deltoid muscle, which is a triangular muscle in the shoulder, and especially on the right side. Apart from the joint, it is a great medicine. It is a great nerve medicine. It shows tremendous benefits in managing neuralgia, and its use is considered for nerve pain that shoots down the limbs. Numbness and prickling sensation with a weakness in the limbs is a classic symptom guiding its use. Limbs may feel cold too. It is a main medicine for the pain which is felt along the ulnar nerve. This nerve travels from the neck downward near ulnar bone, and which is a bone in the forearm toward the little finger side, and radiating to the third and the fourth finger. The next use of Kalmia is for the eyes complaint like pain in the eyes, iritis, scleritis, and ptosis. So let's talk about it. So with its section on the eyes, it proves helpful in the cases of eye pain that gets worse from eye movements. There is a drawing sensation in the eyes along with stiffness that is felt when the eyeballs move. Its use is recommended for the cases of iritis and scleritis. Iritis refers to the inflammation of the iris, and scleritis is the inflammation of the white part of the eye. The specific indication for using it is iritis or scleritis in cases which are associated with joint inflammation. And other than these, it can be given to managing itching in the eyes. This medicine is also successfully used for the management of the cases of ptosis, means drooping of the upper eyelid. The next use of Kalmia is for the face related issues like facial pain and trigeminal neuralgia. So further action of this medicine is on the face. Here it is preferred for the treating trigeminal neuralgia, which is a sudden severe pain in the face from pressure over trigeminal nerve or damage or injury to this nerve. It is the most helpful for right sided neuralgia, and pain is shooting, brushing, or sticking type of pain in the cases needing it. Pain may be attended with numbness. It gets worse from exposure to cold, while it's get better by eating. Another noteworthy indication of this medicine is nerve pain in the face after herpes zoster. Herpes zoster is a viral disease which is caused by varicella zoster virus and characterized by painful skin rashes with blisters. Lastly, it is valuable for managing pain in the teeth of the upper jaw. The next use of Kelmia is for the head related issues like headache. So let's talk about it. So, the most important feature based on which Kelmia is selected is headache, beginning at the sunrise, worsening at the noon, and leaving at sunset. A very unique symptom is relief from headache after profuse urination. The pain is felt in the front and the temples of the head that extend to the nape of the neck or the teeth. It also works well when pain begins in the nape of neck and goes to the top of the head and face. Additionally, it is capable of relieving pain in the head above the right eye, that is supraorbital pain, but vertigo may occur along with the headaches. Next use of Kelmia is for the heart related issues like angina pectoris, pain, and tobacco heart. Let's talk about it. So, this medicine is well indicated for the cases of angina pectoris, which means a heart pain occurring from reduced blood supply to the heart. Heart pains that is sharp, stabbing, burning, and shooting type. The pain extends to the left scapula and the arm, pulse is slow and feeble. Its use is also indicated when there is a palpitation that gets worse from leaning forward and better by sitting erect. It is attended with anxiety and difficulty breathing. It is a leading medicine for managing heart related issues that appears from excessive use of tobacco, so called tobacco heart. Next use of Kelmia is for the gastric problems, and this is the last use, like stomach pain and loose stool. So let's talk about it. So this medicine can tackle certain gastric issues as well. First among these is a pain in the pit of the stomach that worsens from bending forward and better from sitting erect. The pit of the stomach is very sore to touch, and Kelmia is used to relieve cramping pain in the stomach along with belching of the wind. Kelmia can be given for the loose stool when accompanied by stomach pain, nausea, weakness, and dullness. Rest of its indications include obstructed gas with nausea, abdomen pain, in the navel and the sensation of a weakness in the abdomen. So these are the various conditions where Kalmia latifolia can be used successfully. Now next we'll talk about the doses. Let's talk about doses. So Kalmia latifolia can be used in both low and high potencies. Its frequent repetition can be considered in low potencies, but in high potencies, frequent repetition of this medicine should be avoided. And in cases of heart problems, this medicine should only be taken after consulting a homeopathic physician, and don't take them by yourself at all. And self-medication is strictly prohibited and avoided. So always consult a homeopathic doctor if you want to take this medicine. Okay. So this was all about the doses. I hope it is clear to you. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, helpful, and especially valuable, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the holistic health and the world of homeopathy. So thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of Kalmia latifolia in homeopathic medicine. So take care until next time. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any of the health issues, you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.